How to register on Shein app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a Shein app account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is download the Shein app and open it up. After you open up the Shein app, you'll face this interface. Head over to the Me that is on the bottom right corner. Now on the top, you should see the option that says sign in/register. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will see your last logins if you have one. Now if you do not have an account, tap on register and sign in with another account again. And now to sign in, register, you will simply need to type in your email. After you do that, tap on continue, just type in a password and follow through with that. Or what you can do is you can continue with your Google, with your Facebook, or continue with your Apple. So let's just type in our email address here. Now simply type in your password. Now as you can see, I have just registered for Shein app and it's that simple. And that is all for the video too guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.